Welcome to the Field Inbox In-Depth tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to manage the data field workers submit. The first thing I will show you is this submission. What you see here is two bores, as denoted by this tab here. If the field worker would have submitted utilities or any other data, there would be tabs here to show that as well. For now, we'll focus on these two bores. Let's check out all the information this window has to offer. We have the date and time submitted, job name, total rods, rod length, total length, operator name, locator name, and finally the bore path map. If we scroll down, we can see a rod table submitted with the GPS data. But what is this? Mike submitted two bores, but only one has GPS data. This submission is actually incomplete. We need to send this back to Mike to have him add GPS data to the second bore. Let's do that. Let's click Request More, and let's enter a reason. Please add GPS data for bore 2. Now let's click Request More Data. Alright, that takes care of one submission. Let's do another. Let's click the next one. Okay, this submission only has one bore, and it has GPS data. It looks like they named the job FTTH for Fiber to the Home. It looks like they specified they're working in Z14 in the name as well, so that must mean Zone 14. This job looks good enough to merge, though I'd like to have seen utility data included, but I suppose that can come later. Let's merge this submission. Let's click Merge. Notice the window splits in half. On the left side, we have our submission data. On the right side, we have a list of our clients. This split is supposed to help with not needing to open a second tab to look around for a place to merge work, so I hope you also find it useful. The only breadcrumb I have for this job is the name and zone the worker specified, so let me type Z14, or Zone 14, into the search bar to see if a job like that already exists, or if I need to make a new job. Well, look at that. A project already exists, so we should put it in that project. Let's click the Add button, and now we can enter a name. Let's just use the same name the worker sent in. Now that we have it selected, we can finally merge the job. Let's click Merge to Job. Notice that once we merge the job, we are greeted with a prompt asking if we want to stay here or view the job we merged. Let's have a look at that job.